quantitative questions. Please take only 4 minutes to do these 2 questions. I hope you paused this video and you tried this question to analyze, and you only took 4 minutes. Let's try together. They are very simple. The first one, as you can understand, is it is about geometry, right? As you can see, it says, if an equilateral triangle and a square have the same perimeter, what is the ratio of the length of the square to the length of the side of the equation of a triangle? Very simple question. It's a ratio question. Ratio related to geometry. Okay? So the point is, you have to understand one preposition here, to, before we go to analyzing anything. What does the meaning of these two? These two means ratio can be represented by this. Okay? It can be represented by this. It can be represented by this. Okay? xy, xy, or xy. What I mean is, it's not a simple one. Before 2, you can see the length of the square. It has to be at the top, numerator. The denominator should be after 2, which is the length of the side of the equilateral. The same is T2 here. The same is T2 here. Okay? That is the meaning of these 2. It's not a simple preposition. Alright? As a matter of fact, it is a preposition. But it's not only playing the job of the preposition. Let's do this. It says equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Okay? And the square, as you obviously know, it means all sides are equal. Which means this side, this side, these sides are equal. This side, this side, these sides are equal. And the equation is both of their perimeter is the same. What's the difference between perimeter and area? Area is not the same as that of perimeter. Perimeter means the surrounding. Okay? For example, if you find out the perimeter of this, it's going to be what? 3s. Okay? You are going to add this one, and this one, and you can get the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Here, the square, you are going to find out adding all these 4 sides. Alright? It has to be 4s of the square, 4 sides of the triangle. But the point is, you have to understand that area cannot be calculated like that. Area is what? S square. This one area is half baseline side. Right? It's different of that of perimeter. Great. The point is, they are equal. The same means they are equal. The question is, find out the ratio of the square. In order to find out the ratio of the square, first we have to find out the sides. In order to find out the side, we have to analyze this equation. Alright? So it's given this equation, right? The equation has been put like this. 3 side of the triangle is equal to 4 the side of the square, right? They are equal. So when you analyze this, we have to eliminate the number, not the variable, because this is what the variable is needed. The variable is st and ss, which means side of the triangle and side of the square, right? So we have to eliminate so that we can get the correct answer. So we are going to divide by st, both sides. Then st will be cancelled, right? So the answer is 3 is equal to 4 s side of the square over side of the triangle. Alright? So in this case, now we are going to eliminate number 4 here. So we can multiply by, we can divide by 4, right? By 4, by 4. 3 over 4 is equal to side of the square. Don't forget, over side of the triangle. Alright? As I told you, 3 over 4 means 3, 4, or 3 slash 4, or 3 over 4. 3 over 4, which means 3, okay? 3, alright? 3, 4. This is the ratio. The correct answer is A. Okay? Not C. Number 2. We are going to compare the 2 quantities given in this table. As you can see here, the table is very clear. The percent of income is increased from 75 to 85. Assume that the person got $75 and then increased to $85. And this person, the other person in quantity B, increase from $200 $200 to $220. The question is, which increase is greater in percentage? Is it this category or this category? It's very simple. First, we have to analyze this category. What we are going to do is simply, the person got 75, right? And then he increased from 75 to $85. How much more he got? $10 more, right? Because 85 minus 75 is 10. All right? 10. This is to say, no, it's not to say minus, it's 2. So, from 85 to 75, $10 more. So, we are going to find out the percentile increase from the original. The original salary was 75, right? It's supposed to be 100%, but he got the increase of $10. So, we are going to find out by that, substituting with the variable x, then increase close, x is equal to 10 times 100, right, over 75. Then x is equal to 1000 over 75. This is going to be 13.3%. Let's find out this category. The percent increase from 200 to 220. So, from 200, this person got 220, which means that this guy get $20 more. The original salary of this person was 200, right? So it's supposed to be 100% of his salary. But unfortunately, he got the increase of $20 more. So we can substitute by the variable x. To get the percentile, we can just crisscross 20 times 100 over 200. 2020 by 2 by 10. X is equal to 10%. As you can see here, even though the number looks larger, but unfortunately the percentile increase is just 10%. But this person, from 75 to 85, he got 13.3% more. So, obviously, this amount is greater. That's why quantity A is greater than quantity B. The answer is B. I will come up with another video another time. For now,